Welcome to another Enterprise Reporter video demonstration. In today's enterprise market, cloud adoption is at an all-time high. This trend is expected to grow continually, and organizations need a way to report on that data for compliance purposes. Enterprise Reporter for Azure and Exchange Online allows you to accomplish this easily and efficiently. In this demonstration, we'll be showing you how to run discoveries on these platforms to gather that data and using that data to run reports. We'll start in the Manage Discovery section of the Configuration Manager, where we select New Discovery and Exchange Online or Azure. We enter some information as well as enter the credentials with global administrator rights and click Next. There are many options to select which data you want to gather. We'll then click Next. As this can be scheduled regularly, we're just going to run it manually by right-clicking and clicking Run. Next, we'll do the same for Azure data. We enter the information and the global administrator credentials, as well as any additional data we want to gather. Admin consent must be configured in the Credential Manager for both of these activities, in which we select Configure and enter the global administrator credentials and acknowledge admin consent for both Enterprise Reporter for Azure Discovery and Enterprise Reporter OneDrive Discovery. Next, we can either schedule it or run it manually by right-clicking and click Run. For this task, there was one error, as there are public folders that are not configured yet in the target Exchange environment. Next, we head to the Report Manager, and we click Create and Report, and we'll enter some information about the report as well as select which Azure data we want to include in this report. Essentially the same workflow as running any other report. You can also select one of our pre-built reports from the interface. So whether you choose to create a manual one or run one of the built-in ones, simply select that report and click Run Report. As you can see, the report displays quickly and efficiently, and there are many export and print options available to you. This concludes this demonstration on how to gather data with a discovery on Exchange Online and Azure data and using the Report Manager to run reports on that data. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Enterprise Reporter or access our 30-day free trial, please visit us online.